What up, YouTube? This is Teal Stealth R1, and well, what are we doing today? So, as you guys want me to know, I'm doing a really big update series with my my Gravedigger, which I think has been fun, and I've been doing a lot of update series on my Losi Pro Moto MX, which I've really been very busy, and I haven't been able to get to any of these things as of late. But somebody left me a message and they said, yo, you posted something about the Maxx Slash. Did you get it? Do you have it? And of course I have the Maxx Slash. Like, really? I don't post things and kind of put myself in a scenario like, yeah, I got it, and then I never got it. So here we go. This is the Traxxas Maxx Slash. If you guys looked at my video beforehand, I ended up doing the day I picked it up, and I have not been able to unbox this. So yeah, let's start getting this thing unboxed. I'm not gonna go through the whole particulars of me unboxing it, and we'll see what's going on. Alrighty, so here we go. This is the Traxxas Maxx Slash, and I ended up going with the green one. I'm very happy that I was gonna go with the rock and roll edition or whatever that's called. I didn't get it because I'm like, damn, I want this in green. And yeah, I just threw the box up here, but wow. Let's talk about this. So I've seen it at the shop. I haven't been able to open this up. You guys want me to know, Traxxas gives you their booklets with a few, I guess, tools. I don't see my Allen key set. No, there it is. And I guess this can run on a 3S. But yeah, no, this looks pretty awesome. Roughly the same size as my UDR. There are differences between both RCs. The major thing that I see is the clipless body mount. I think the UDR has like 12 screws and stuff like that. And yeah, no, this is totally awesome. I just unclipped it. I really didn't get into details. I know that the controller's right underneath here. So it's the Traxxas TQI, which, you know, I have a whole bunch of them. So I just majorly put it on one. But here we go. And you guys want me to know that I'm going to be going with a theme, which is going to be green. So a lot of updates and upgrades I'm going to be doing to this RC. I did purchase the new Traxxas servo, which I want to install. I noticed that when I put the updated servo in my UDR, it was so much better in handling. As I can see, these are the belted Traxxas tires, which is pretty cool. I think that's going to be the new platform that Traxxas is going to be going with when they do have. When they do all their RCs, everything's gonna be belted. This is gonna be the competition against the Mojave, and I've never driven a Mojave, but hopefully we'll see what happens. I know there's gonna be a lot of upgrades with this. I mean, there's gonna be aluminum braces, aluminum motor mounts, and a whole bunch of other things that are gonna come across. This is 6S, and we should be able to do a little bit above 70 miles an hour. I just ordered the stainless steel screw kit for it. I'm incorporating myself with other companies right now. Shroud, shock covers. I already ordered the shock caps, so it's going to be in green. Yeah, so this is going to be the new toy that I'm going to mess around with during the summertime, which I'm going to have a lot of fun with. I had tons of fun with my UDR, and just the way this platform is, I'm very happy that I ended up getting the servo immediately. Nicely set up. It does look like if a Maxx had a baby with a Slash LCG. There are a few things that I can honestly say just mirror the Slash LCG, and yeah, this looks pretty nicely set up. I know there's a lighting kit that's coming out with this as well. Don't know if I'm gonna update the wheelie bar set, but we'll see what the near future holds up. But Like I always say, you know, people should get a screw kit for their RCs because you get to learn all about the RCs that you have there. So rate, comment, subscribe, give me a heads up, put a comment below, see what would you want me to put in this RC. A lot of people are customizing and stuff like that. I'm actually going to drive this before I start updating it and upgrading it. I did not do that with my Losi, and I am definitely not doing it with the Mini LMT, I think it is. But I definitely want to do a few runs with this and see. I've driven the UDR so long that I'm curious to see, you know, how this handles against the UDR. So once again, rate, comment, subscribe to my fellows on YouTube. Later.